Kerr French toast. Finger making it, I don't even care. This is about to get street, man. How I'm making some quick French toast. While I film it. Yep, get all freaking into your recipe prepping and stuff. This is oat milk, oat milks, and with a egg. About to air fry some French toast. Put some freaking over easy, maybe some lightly scrambled eggs. Real nice. With some grits. About to get it on with that oat milks. Woo. It's about to get crazy. Look, cook it all up. All up, dunzo. Just gonna need to get some of this. Need some calories for my gym game. Put that cinnamon on there. Don't even be cheap, just cinnamon it out. Cinnamon it out with that brown sugar. Boom, look at that cinnamon. Hit that brown sugar. This is light brown sugar. Make sure you try to get it all up on there, here and there. Gotta do that Salt Bae. Boom. Hit that non-stick spray. Get it up in there. Be careful, it's a bit heavy with the soaking of the milk. So gently place in air fryer. Grits. 4 cup. Cup of water. And 1 to 4. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 3 eggs. Beat it into about this consistency. Added a little water. Froth that sucker. Ooh. Bam. Mix it up in that thing. There you go. Let it sit for a second while you make your eggs. Get it. Breakfast is served. Option 2. Yummy.